Stop struggling to balance chemical equations. One trick took me from dropping stupid marks in every exam to getting 100% of my equations right every single time. The one hack is that you should leave elements that appear more than once on the same side to the end of your working. In the combustion of propane, where you have propane reacting with oxygen to make CO2 and water, the element that appears more than one time on one side is this oxygen over here. And the common mistake that people will make is they don't balance this last. And what happens if you try to process oxygen first or second is that you'll have a never-ending multiplying cycle of your number just increasing more and more, and you just can't find the right balance. So instead, you want to balance the elements that only appear once on each side. In this case, you have carbon, we have 3 on the left and 1 on the right. So the first thing we'll do is we'll place a 3 in front of this CO2 so that we have 3 carbons and 3 carbons on each side, balanced. We choose a second element to do. Again, we want to leave the oxygen out. We look at the next element that only appears once on each side. In this case, we have hydrogen and hydrogen, 8 versus 2. So we need a 4 in front of this water in order to give us 8 hydrogens here and 8 hydrogens here. So now that we've fixed the carbon and hydrogen, all we have to do now is look at how many oxygens. So we have 6 oxygens plus another 4. And on the reactant side, we have a lone oxygen, which has 2 oxygens per molecule. So we need to multiply this by 5 to give us the 10 oxygens, which is of course equal to how much product oxygen we have. And this equation is now balanced. Save this for the next time you're struggling with a chemical equation, and follow us at Catalyst Chemistry for more chemistry tips and tricks.